Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about world premiere ASUS ROG Phone 8, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 5G smartphone. Okay, here we go to the video. With a brand new 6.78 E6 AMOLED panel that supports adaptive refresh rates to reduce power consumption. You can also select our refresh rate of up to 165 Hz for smooth gaming. Powered by the 3.3 GHz Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, the CPU is 30% faster and the GPU is 25% faster than before. The ROG Phone 8 is also equipped with 8533 MPIMX RAM and a UFS 4.0 ROM. The main camera with the latest 15-MPIMX 890 Sony image sensor. The 24mm wide lens allows perfect street snaps. 3x telephoto lens. Comes with 5500 mAh battery and a powerful 65-watt hypercharge USB PD charger. The additional 15-watt wireless charging also gives you more flexibility. With matrix liquid cooling architecture 8.0, support multiple languages, IP68 dust and water resistant with a slimmer, lighter body and thinner bezels that make it the perfect lifestyle phone for gamers. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay, friends, be a good person. Bye bye. So, I'm gone.